If the UK is your study destination but you're confused about the steps, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, academic requirements. For undergrads, you'll need a high school diploma and minimum academic scores. For masters, a relevant bachelor's degree. Next, English proficiency. Tests like IELTS, TOEFL, or PTE are usually required. Check each university's score criteria. Then get your Tier 4 visa. You'll need a CAS from your uni, proof of financial stability, and English test results. Show financial proof you can afford your studies. Requirements vary by location. For undergrad applications, use UCAS. Postgrads apply directly to universities. Pay your immigration health surcharge to access NHS healthcare. Sort out accommodation early, uni dorms, private housing, or shared apartments. Remember, Admyted can guide you through all these steps. Visit admyted.com or call us on 1800 202 3370 and book your free counselling session today. Start your UK study adventure with confidence.